welcome back. Today we will discuss about headings, paragraphs and formatting. Before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, then please click on the subscribe button and subscribe my channel. Let's begin. First one, headings. I am giving the title as headings. Headings are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. H1 defines the largest heading. H6 defines the smallest heading. We can save the file as headings.html. Then change the encoding to UTF-8. Open the saved file, that is heading.html, with any of your web browser. You can see the difference. First heading is the largest one, sixth heading is the smallest one. Next, paragraphs. I have changed the title as paragraphs as we are discussing about paragraph. Paragraphs are defined with the P tag. This is all about paragraph. Now we can save the file as paragraph.html. Then open it with any of your web browser. See, both the paragraphs are displayed. HTML automatically adds an extra blank line before and after a paragraph. Next one, line breaks. Change the title name as break tag. The BR tag is the break tag. BR tag is used when you want to end a line but don't want to start a new paragraph. The BR tag forces a line break wherever you place it. The BR tag is an empty tag. It has no closing tag. Save the file as breaktag.html. Open it with any of your web browser. See, the line breaks. Next, comments in HTML. Change the title name to comment tag. The comment tag is used to insert a comment in the HTML source code. This comment will be ignored by the browser. You can use these comments to explain your code, which can help you when you edit the source code at a later date. Next one, text formatting tags. These are the text formatting tags. So that's all about headings, paragraphs and formatting. Thank you for watching. Next video I will tell you about how to insert images.